Deep HC on the Deus. That's finally got me back into silver, I believe. Dang on there a month. That's silver. Shiny. She's gonna be a 46. I'm really finding some cool stuff. I don't know if I can dig for it now, but little teeny end of a pocket knife. Deep. I mean, this stuff's always pushing 12 inches. Just a faint little beep, but it's the only beep I'm getting. I like this Deep HC. I've just forwarded the discrimination a little teeny bit. A few little tweaks here and there, just very minor at my capabilities for right now. But yeah, been here many times. Like I say, this place has been hit good, real good. But I'm excited. A 99 all day long right there. Look at that thing. Crazy looking at it. Steam tractor maybe? What are those? I don't know. Squash sighting. Check him out. Check out the technique. Windy as snow today. This. Money. David. Encroaching on silver.
That's your YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's fun, isn't it? Let's see what it is. Not dark enough to be an Indian head. Well, it'll be a weedy, I bet. Need something. I don't have my Velcro on this machine to clean it with. Yeah, looks like a weedy. I'll do, actually. So put this over here. Spinning. Been made. Right here. Go ahead and see what he got. Alright, here we go. Hopefully you can see that. Put up some kind of little revet. Might not be super old, but we're still going. I'm not finding a whole lot here today. I think this is something off a curtain. Or shade. Wouldn't you think so? I don't know. It's brass. Yellow brass at that. Pretty. Alright. Well, we're just getting into another spot here. Not much happening yet. Beautiful day though. I got that.
What you get?
I don't know. It's shiny. It's got threads on it.
Okay.
No idea. I knocked her up pretty good there. Smooth over here. Alright. There's gonna be some iron in the hole. Oh. Big old chunk. Woohoo!
Probably the edge of a carbon steel.
Alright, they had a stink 91 way down the old hot roof. It's a penny. Penny killer. You know what? It's a 1911. That's a sweet one. Pretty shape. Awesome. Probably my top find today. Definitely one of my oldest. Not a great day. A little 4D. Okay. Just watching it out over there. Wind blowing about 30 it feels like.